Greetings to all my Jamaican brothers and sisters, wherever you are, whether you're there far in, near in, yard, greetings. This is Miss Spots coming to you again with a little idea and solution talk in bringing back my sweet Jamaica. So today, as you see, the topic is, who are the owners of Jamaica? So it's gonna be a teaching phase. That's what it's gonna be, because I really think the people them not really know what's going on, and who no really not know no power. So today or tonight, evening, whatever time you really happen to receive this, listen up, because without discuss it, without talk about it, teach you guys about it, and as usual, me always say, me throwing out my little idea and solution. How you can take it and run with it. So, me not really think you know the power we have. What all we have, as a matter of fact. And you don't know who are the owner for Jamaica. Let me tell you who are the owner for Jamaica. And we are the owner for Jamaica. No government are not the owner for Jamaica. Okay? No government. Whether it's PNP in or GLP in, none of them no own Jamaica. And we own Jamaica. Therefore, they need to chat to it before they jump in at things. You can't just get up and do things in my house without you not explain it to me. And we can have almost 3 million people and 20 of them rich and think them can run things. We have to be more serious about everything what they have and stop. Put politics in it. Take it out. And let's think of ourselves and what we are getting out of our country. Simple as that. We can't make nobody fool with them the days they're done with long time. We can't make a set of people just come in and take over our country. We can't make government do that to it. Because sooner or later, we will become slaves to them. Okay? Especially if it is centered on one specific set of people. So, when it's centered on one specific set of people, what it means is that 20 of them come in at the country. And them the 20 there decide to get in for them family. And also it grow and grow and grow and grow. And as much as them they grow, so then they take with the country. Then they take it with piece by piece. And then them left next to nothing for we. And we now become slaves. Me now become slave to no bagga. Okay? Me now become slave to nobody that come from out of no slum and think them better than me. So what no need to do? Rise up and organize and figure out how we're going to do this thing together. And I don't give you some idea. See if it work for you now. Because this cannot be. This cannot be. I am the owner of Jamaica. You are the owner of Jamaica. And we not make nobody can take it from we. And those who in high office will decide to sell we out, then we just have to get rid of them. Simple as that. We have to get rid of them. Here how the idea and solution don't come in. We as a people, we not do the right thing. We not organize right. We not know if we demonstrate. What we do? Sitting there bad away, and if it boil over too much, we decide say okay. Alright, we don't demonstrate. So what we do? We go up on road. We go and throw 2 tire and bun. And then black road. That are no nothing. Because those who in charge know say so it and them used to it. Then just say, alright, them soon cool down. By later then cool down and everything is alright. Then just let off steam and that's it. No, we're gonna show them that's not what it's gonna do now. We're gonna do it differently. We are going to stand strong. We're not gonna have no war. We're gonna have some full-on demonstration and let them know this is unacceptable. And we're gonna do it day and night, weeks and weeks and months until them get it. Because we have the power and we need to show them that. When we block the road, we demand nobody now go walk. We make the people them know. No. And let's see if they know how to make changes. If we even have to make it be a go slow situation. Where we need the essentials. We don't let in the nurses and the doctors. But the rest of it, we don't go hold strong. And the government cannot take police and soldier to come out from we. Because guess what? We have we right. We all have we right. And the days of saying me a labor right and me a socialist, done. We are now Jamaicans fighting for our country. Because we're upon the brink of pushing us out. And me nah left me sweet, sweet Jamaica. Me nah get up to nobody. Okay? We don't have things for ourselves, but we go take other people. And let me tell you, no sitting around who they do wrong. You see, all of you where they get up, they shoot and kill each other. Cut that shit out. Let's get together. Band together and fight for Jamaica. Because guess what? The enemy just sit down there watch and glad when we kill off each other and just say, look on the either them. Let them kill each other. We bring them more guns, more bullets. Make them kill each other because this is a paradise that we they take it. And that no realize. Never ever they look on the big picture. So me they tell no, we need to organize. Get ready to fight this shit. Because it ain't go good on so. I was never born a slave and I will never be a slave in my country. If I that no want, me no know, but I know that me want. We go organize this. We go and take the street. We not go just sit by. Everybody they struggle, we can't afford school. Parents they send them picnic at school. Struggle. Some of the mothers not have no father to help them. And them after the struggles, I'll send 3-4 picnic at school. Picnic them bright past their subject and they don't have no job. There's no damn housing, there's nothing. But you don't get up, take over, carrying people in our country. Where the frig gonna put them? Where they put them? When them reach a airport, who they pick them up? Who fire then they go? Where then they go? We don't have no one at prison now, no can friggin' feed them. And that we the chat about. We don't chat about politics. We the chat about what it is to be a strong Jamaican. And all we have to do is wait up for all of the dates them. And we take we ass on the road. Because it piss me off that leaders can do that to we. We need them out. We can't take this. This no right. No part of this no right. No part of it no right. And nobody can tell me nothing otherwise. So get ready for the idea and solution. We no listen out for the date them when the people them they will come because we they go take the road, the airport, every damn thing. Whether the plane want turn back, burn up, kill everybody in there, so be it. Who gives a damn? We don't have nothing, we not enjoy, we want a country and people fi come they can live scotch free. We're going to do it the right way this time. We don't be no hooligans. We don't be idiots. We're going to suck it to them. And we don't do it one day. We they continue, make them see what we mean. When we disrupt them, then we'll get it. But we can't do one little disruption half an hour or half of a day and say, boy, I do that. No. We they continue, make them see. Say I not joke with a joke, we mean business. So you have to go. So no better get ready. Get ready. And wow, no need for do no and do. Wow, no depend online, they look on stupidness and read up things and all of these craziness. You know, fi look on things that is important to no country. And that have to happen. That have to happen. We no care who my boss or they represent me good and me like him and is a good brethren or is a good sister. No. I don't give a damn how good they are. Frankly, them no good. Them no good. Because they not consult we. And we own it. Remember that. Put that in your head. You are the owner of Jamaica. Not the 20 or 50 rich people them. I know them. And neither is the government. And we are government. Prime Minister no own Jamaica. The opposition leader no own Jamaica. None of them politicians no own Jamaica. Because none of them then get no title for it. And if them get title, I will feel title there. And I will live in it. Come on, man. Come on, people. We have to be strong. We have to do better than that. Stop the killing and get together. Stop those small things. Things will make we look like idiot. We don't go do the right thing the right way. So, dare me give it to you. That's the idea and solution. We they go all out. We not stop. We they take the road. And when time if we walk today, we send out one of our family member go take we spot. And so we they go do it. We're gonna be persistent and consistent. And see when the heat take them ass, what them do about it. We have to demand things and we not demand nothing. We bex about certain things and we go out. And as me say, we go burn two tire and black road. We make a demand. Make them see the intention. What is it we demanding? What we need to get. And if we don't get what we want, or 3/4 what we want, we they continue. And if the place is burn down, or if it burn it down, and if no foreigner or whoever, alien them or whoever they come in, after we eat, or we have to do it. Simple as that. So all those who don't come after me spot, no bother. Because if you don't do that, it means you don't love no country. That's simple as that. It means you don't love it. No stay in a corner and hide. The representative of the year and no have nothing to do with anything. No road, no did they. School them packed down. Teachers now get pay. Not now going for nobody, but you no want to take people in. How happen to no higher? Go park on your ass and come again. So, Miss Pat, they give you that little idea and solution. So with all that being said, we no go and go prepare yourself, tap kill each other and we fight together for our country. Okay? So Miss Pat's out.